You need to calm down, Errol. Now, other than the occasional owl orgy, groups tend to make him a little bit nervous. But we're all gonna have a good time tonight, are we? You know, he's not just an animal, he is a partay animal. He's always like, whose house are we going to? Who's gonna be there? Who's got the bag? Errol, I told you, it's the Gold Coast. No one's gonna have a bag on the Gold Coast. I think she does. Oh, actually, I did take a little day trip down to Nimbin this morning, and I might have brought something back you might like.
What?
Alright, here you go, buddy. Wrap your little beak around this. Okay. Alright, it's strong. Come on.
Fuck yeah. I'm always asking who, but the bigger question is like, why man?
Totally. You're smart. Is that a lot of pressure on you as an owl to be like wise all the time?
Mate, I have to carry that with me everywhere I fly.
Yeah, like don't pigeonhole wisdom to one species.
Fucking pigeon.
You think that's our try being a handler? Everyone's always like, handle this, handle that, but like, who handles me, man?
Who handles me?
I do. You're a puppet.
Exactly. We're all just puppets, man.
No, I mean, you're literally a fucking puppet.
The government, man. They treat us like puppets.
Yeah, the government do treat us like puppets. And I know they are hiding sexy female aliens in Area 51.
They're in cahoots with the Illuminati.
Wait a minute. You seem to know a lot about this. What if birds are just spies for the government?
Hang on. Am I a bird?
Holy shit.
Am I a spy, mate? Whoa! I'm feeling peckish, mate.
Alright, buddy. Let's open the surfers and get you a kebab.